What's up, guys? Mike back here with you. This week here, we're going to do a little bit of recording, a couple different things kind of through the week that we're going to be doing. First off, today we went and bought some lumber, and in the back there where we have our big feeder for the hogs, we're going to go ahead and replace the base of it. It's that base, we should have went with a little bit thicker plywood to begin with, and we had some things happen when we were moving it, which I'm not going to allow to happen this time. We've got our fork extender. So stick around with us on this one, guys, and we're going to bring you along on a couple different projects here through the week. First off, we're going to go ahead and start with our base, which is going to be made of 4x4s, and we're going to hold that together with 2x4s on the ends. This is it's a pretty easy deal here, and again, we're just making a platform for our feeder to sit on so that it's level and they're not digging out the dirt from underneath of it. Alright, so to do this, we actually had to plan this out and get that big feeder right here empty. And so it ran out sometime through the night, I guess. Early this morning was good. So now we're just going to go ahead and run a line of corn down. Spread it out over here too. Over here. Yeah, I just want to get these guys out of our way. Alrighty. Come on, pig. Leave the tractor alone. Come on. Feed time.
Feed everyone. That should be enough, right? Yeah.
Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs. Come on, guys. Come on, fat pigs. I think you're getting in there. Here we go. Got more feet down here, guys. Stretch it on out. Come on, pigs. Pigs of all different sizes, different ages, and they all blend in pretty good. The big pigs show the little pigs what to do, and eventually they all get it. All right, now we're going to come in with the forks, and we're going to pick this base up. We're going to put it all the way out there, and we're going to transfer the tank onto the other one and then bring the other one in. So once I go out, somebody can close the gate for me.
Sounds simple, but it's not.
All right, guys, so we got this all in. We're going to put some more shavings back in this area here, probably a little bit later today, and then this week here, this will actually get filled all the way up. We'll probably put some temporary feed just to get them going for a little while, as far as that goes. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get some stuff in here. We'll leave you with that on this project, and we'll see you on the next one.